Test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We got a couple setups we're looking at, y'all. We're going to wait a few minutes for some more people to hop up in here. Then we're going to go ahead and start breaking some stuff down. We got to drop the Sunday chart analysis for y'all last night. Make sure to check that out if y'all not out already. Oops, that's the wrong time. Make sure to go ahead and like the live and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. We just hit 2,800 subscribers. We moved to 2,900 easily. It's 2,900 easily. We're going to be looking for possible NAS buys. We're going to see how this next 15 pops up. If NAS can continue to hold 2,500 support, we can look for buys going to 2,660. That's what we're going to be looking at right now. Are your NAS buys right now? No. If I'm ever in a buy or sell setup, you'll be able to tell because my buy or sell idea will be on the candlesticks. If it's to the right, that means I'm not in the trade yet. Might hop into some little bit of the latest. I'm waiting for this next 15 to pop up. See how price closes. If price can continue to hold this low as support, then we just might hop up in this. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we new charts, drop them in the chat. We'll be dropping this week's Bitcoin analysis today at the beginning of the New York session. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. If you didn't see last week's Bitcoin weekly analysis, make sure to check that out. Also dropped a video for y'all. I think it was either Thursday or Friday last week. All playlists are up to date. Got a few videos lined up for y'all this week as well. New 15 ought to pop up in about a minute. We're going to see if we can hold this low as support. If we can close here, we might jump in this for the next 15 depending on what it looks like. So we're looking for possible GN buys as well. Again, we caught these huge buys last week on Thursday and Friday, broke them down every day during the London session lives. So we can break this resistance over here and hold 1725 as support. We can look for the T buys going to 17, or I should say 1800. That's what we're looking at right here. So we got a few setups. Again, we're just waiting for volume and the confirmations to be met. As far as high impact news today, there's one Canadian news event at 1:30. That's literally it. So again, we're just waiting for volume or confirmation to be met. I do like how NAS is looking. Let's see how this closes right here. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. Those that just joined the stream, we have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. We're about to pull it up in a second as well. I'm gonna pull up GJ as well and talk about it. I honestly cannot remember. I feel like I did not talk about GJ in the Sunday chart analysis. I don't remember. But we're gonna pull up GJ in a second as well. Break that down also. Because over the weekend a huge gap got caused from it continuing to push up and creating that higher high. Because again, y'all been tuning in all this month of October, price has been consolidating and struggling to continue the trend that it left off or started last month. And last week, a lot of these charts ended up breaking out of that consolidation. GN is a perfect example, and we rode that wave, right? Again, we look here. Literally since October 9th, price was stuck here until last week. Me and the members caught this. We also broke this down the days before we took the trade, and the days we did take the trade, as well as the Sunday chart analysis. Another example is NAS100. Right, got a little bit of that setup, and then it ended up rejecting, and then later on that week, going and doing move was looking for right, so we see on Friday. But again, we see here, literally October 9th. Is that a coincidence the same day? No. Again, y'all always hear me talk about how there's no coincidences in the markets. But literally, you can see since October 9th, price was struggling to break the support level, also struggling to break this resistance level, and didn't do it until last week. GU, I don't think GU is a good example. GU didn't do that. I need to pull up GJ. Let's pull up GJ. I was like, why the hell does it look like that? And then there's GJ, right? Again, we see here October 4th, just consolidated, was struggling to break this resistance, was struggling to break the support level. Then it finally broke this level last week. And then again, you can see how over the weekend, price continued to push up, causing this gap. So we're going to be looking for continued buys here, or we're going to be looking for a retracement to fill up that gap, right? So right now, GJ is currently above 198.70, so we can continue to hold this lower support. We can look for buys going to 198.45. So that's where we're going to be looking at. We got a couple potential setups here. We're just waiting for volume and our confirmations. I do like how NAS is looking. I like how NAS is looking. And GN still got a little bit of work to do. All right, so again, I dropped the Sunday chart analysis for y'all last night. Like I always hear me say, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. And let me know if the audio sounds good. If the audio ever goes funky, let me know. All right, let me know. I got a lot of wires over here. And sometimes I'll be in the zone where I might move something, which will mess with the audio when we're streaming. All right, so the audio gets all crackly, let me know. That means I'm tugging on my wire, and I need to fix that. Oops. Looking at my other screen. Let's pull this up. Get rid of this. while we're watching this right here, we're going to go over how right one also see the goal is finally retesting that level we was looking for. So let's just confirm that before we break that down. So again, we're going to see if we can hold this all as support here. Gold can hold 2740 as support. We can look for continued buys going to 2760. So we're going to let price do its thing right here. We're going to see how this reacts. They can continue to maintain holding slow as support. All right. So as far as how we did last week we absolutely dominated, went 3-0. It was 100% win rate, caught 8,111 pips. Monday, we caught 7,800 pips. Tuesday, we technically took a trade, but we didn't hit any. Or am I mixing it up with Wednesday? One of those days, we took a trade, but TPs didn't get hit till the next following day. So Wednesday, we caught 195 pips. Thursday, 0 trades. Friday, caught 118 pips. Ending the week with a total of 8,113 pips caught. Right here is going to take the end of the week. Again, all trades we take every single week, every single day, we break down, if not as well, enter during the London session live. We also go over during the Sunday chart analysis. As you can see, we draw this at the beginning of every single week. How we did the week prior to that, we went 3-1, giving 75% win rate. The week prior to that, we went 3-0. And then the first week we went 2-0. So we only lost one trade so far this month, which is not bad at all. If you scroll to October 2nd, you'll see how we ended last month, September. We ended 14-2, giving us an 88% win rate, catching a total of 35,486 pips. Click right here. It's going to take us to the beginning of the month. Right? All wins and losses are posted. And as you can see here as well, you scroll up a little bit. I'll also show you how we did the month prior. So if you keep on clicking these, it'll either take you up on a week by week or month by month basis. You get everything's data, time, and documents, and then link at every time we go live. Do recap day. You go to photos, over 1,000 photos, 2 years worth of receipts or screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to explore the channel and check all that stuff out. All right, y'all. We'll go over how we ended quarter 3 in a little bit. But we got a new 15 pop up in about 3 minutes, y'all. We got a new 15 pop up in about 3 minutes. We see gold doing its thing. So again, if it doesn't hold that level of support, we simply just don't take the trade. So that's simple. If our confirmations are met, we pull the trigger. If our confirmations are not met, we just leave the price. We can see GN here has been taking a little nap for the past few hours. Now again, we did just have a New Zealand holiday yesterday, so we're still trying to wake up due to that. But we got our alert, so when price does decide to try to break that level, we'll know.
Goes smoothly when you know the right steps.
We don't care about that. Oh, that's an unskippable ad. They're doing us dirty today, y'all. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. Shout out to all the followers on Instagram and TikTok. Got a post and be posting on there later on today, so make sure to look out for that. We drop shorter form videos on there, obviously, but make sure to check those out as well as the playlist while we're chilling. Again, we're not just vibing, listening to the soothing music. We're waiting for our confirmations, and we're paying attention to how price is reacting or not reacting to these levels. Again, these live streams are for y'all, so if you guys do have questions, views about anything, drop them in the chat. Answer all questions. Or y'all just want to sit here and watch the charts with me, wait for me to enter a trade, that's cool too. That's cool too. Just make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a little bit. About to see if we can hold this level as support.
Before you spend hours stuck in a waiting room.
What's going on? What is your analysis of GPUSD? Yeah, we can talk about that. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure we're not missing anything. Some new 5-minute did just pop up. Now, I did go over GU as well as all the charts I usually look at and trade in the Sunday chart analysis. First link in the description. So make sure to join the free signal for Telegram so you can see my other analysis on the other pairs that I like to trade as well. But we can break down GU. I got you. Right. So with GU, we are bearish, but like we're seeing with a lot of these charts, we're kind of just chilling or struggling to break and hold that next level. So as long as GU can continue to hold 2970 as resistance, we are still bearish. I'm personally waiting to see if it can hold 2940 as resistance, because if it can hold and break 2940 as resistance, we look for continued sales as well as the next lower low come into play. Right. We had that lower low get made on Wednesday last week, and then we see Thursday and Friday price end up retracing, but also still continue to respect 2990 as resistance. But we can see here that it failed to break this level here, and we see it's retracing and rejecting. So I'm just waiting for it to come back down to here, where I'd much rather look for sells at. So that's what I see going on with GU. Oh, I was talking while muted. Again, it is Monday. The markets are just starting to wake up and open up. Mondays and Tuesdays are typically the slower days of the week. Things start to pick up Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday are usually the easiest days to trade. So do not be too shocked or surprised at the markets being slow right now. It's to be expected, but we might see some action in the next few hours though. Again, there is no high impact news today. So we're simply just waiting for volume to kick in our confirmations. Well, that's a lie. The only high impact news event we do have is going to the end of New York session today, which is that 1:30 Canadian news. That's the only news event we got.
Save more when you go all in with Cox. Get
All right, we might see some action, y'all. We got GM about to attempt to break this level again. We're looking to see if it can hold. If it can hold 1790, I'm not 1730 as support. We can look for buys going to 1790 and possibly up to 1885. All right, y'all. GJ is looking like it's trying to do the next move as well. Let's see if we can hold this here. This chart struggle a little bit. All right, y'all. We're still going on the charts. You already know what it is. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Telegram. You see on your screen who we did last month and last quarter. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal services, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. Again, we'll be dropping the Bitcoin weekly analysis for y'all today, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. I respond to all messages. We'll be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 in EST.